Oh, hello. Good, you're back. Yeah, me too. We've got a bit of a puddle. Friday evening, and even if it is a little bit that's coming in, it's quite a lot when it's put together. So, just had a feel under the dash. And I'm sorry if the sound's changed, but I've just taken the stereo microphone off. Right, up at the top there, there's one of those sound deadening felt pads. Now it's wet through, which is why it's probably coming out in multiple points. Because if I get my fingers under here, and squeeze, it pours out. The whole thing's wet and it's all the way across. So it's not necessarily, it's absolutely wet through, is that? And I can see it there, look. That's behind that bulky wiring. That's absolutely pouring out now. Yeah, it's even behind there. That's wet as well. So that's confusing the issue. Is that because water's probably coming in at one point, wetting the whole thing, it's dripping all the way down. My goodness knows where that is. You can see what's happening. I'm going to drill a hole in the floor. Right. So, looking for the way in, it's getting tricky now because I really don't know where. But I do know that that bit is wet. I don't know how wet. There's another bit up here. That bit's dry. I don't know if you can see that. There. There. That bit's dry, so it's obviously over that end. Right. Got my little thingy out, 40 quid from Aldi, and it's bloody useless because you don't know which way around the images when you're looking at it. You can't see. You can't be. I'll try my hand. Right. Right. There's rotation. Oh, it's raining again. Right, let's stick that up there. Behind there. No, it's all out of focus. No idea what I'm looking at. You won't be able to see that. Right, okay. We'll have to come back in a minute when it stops raining. So, see you in a bit. Oh, hello again. Yeah, this is a long time later. It's just never stopped. I've actually drilled a hole in the floor to let the water out. Right, so the big squashy sponge up there, which means that water dripping in all over. I think it's just a red herring. It's only it's coming in somewhere in probably one spot, wetting the whole compound sound deadening, then that's just dripping everywhere. It's confusing the issue. It's a bit of an Agatha Christie. I was hoping to get the front cowl off, but it's not going to happen. It's just starting again now. Yeah. Try my little thingy again. I mean, I don't even know which way is up. Ain't making sense of that. I'm looking behind the foamy bit. I have no idea what I'm looking at. I do know my camera's getting wet, and so am I. Well, we're going to have to look at it later, aren't we? Because it's no blooming good now. Left me torch on, so the battery's probably dead. Yeah, right, okay then, so this was Friday night. Yeah, let's go get some tea, hell with it. Yeah, that front cowl's, that windscreen wiper cowl's going to have to come off, and then we're going to have another look, because there must be something I've missed. Right, anyway, look after yourselves, stay safe, don't get lost or squashed, and I'll see you in a bit. Either wet or dry.